premier gated community. This is a lock-and-go turnkey property. Tastefully furnished condo for your retreats, investment or living. Property was extensively renovated and has a lot of upgrades. This is not your typical Bluff unit. You will be impressed. Enjoy resort-style living with heated pool, game room, exterior building maintenance and everything else pretty taken care of. Just pay your electric and taxes, because HOA covers it all. Water, sewer, basic cable, the list goes on. Live an active lifestyle in this community too.